Welcome to our guide on how to enable the exciting Roblox face camera feature. Let's dive into how it enhances your gaming experience. In 2025, Roblox introduced amazing updates, including the highly anticipated face camera feature, bringing a new level of immersion to gameplay. To enable the face camera, first head to your Roblox settings. Let me show you how. Once you're in settings, look for the face camera option. Enable it to experience a new way of interacting with your games. Want to ensure optimal performance? Adjust your face camera settings here. Tweak them to your comfort. Check out how face camera significantly enhances interaction. It feels like you're part of the game. If face camera isn't working, don't worry. Let's go through some quick troubleshooting steps. Try out face camera in various Roblox games. The possibilities are endless, and you might discover fun new interactions. In conclusion, the face camera feature is a game changer for Roblox. It brings immersion and fun to every session. We want to hear from you. Try face camera and share your experiences in the comments below. Happy gaming!